the best in me for someone else. I did not notice that I was doing right by serving a woman who never did wrong.
Ang kolumnistang si Conrado de Quiros, aminadong binabatikos niya noon si Cory. Tinanong pa nga raw siya ni Chris kung bakit niya ginagawa ito. Pero kalaunay, naging magkaibigan daw sila ni Cory.
Maybe it's not so strange that people start out being enemies on grounds of principle, end up being friends on the same grounds.
Matapang din daw tinanggap ng dating Pangulo ang kanyang karamdaman.
Tita Cory, thank you for being a part not only of my life, but a part of the life of every Filipino. May your courage and strength in God remain in our hearts forever. We will never forget you. I love you.
When Popoy and I visited you in the hospital, we did what you always liked to do, pray the rosary. As a woman of God, you prayed with me as I saw you move your lips. And when we ended praying, you automatically lifted your right arm to make the sign of the cross, and you managed to raise it halfway through.
Iho ni Cory na si Senador Noynoy ang huling nagsalita. Nagpasalamat sa ngalan ng kanilang pamilya sa pagmamahal at pagsuporta na ipinakita para sa kanilang ina.
Malungkot po ako, nanay ko po'y wala na. Dapat bang ituloy natin yung kalungkutan? O dapat ba'y sumunod tayo sa halimbawa ng kanyang buhay na bilang isang ganap na Katoliko, ang kamatayan ay hindi katapusan, pagkus malamang tumutuo sa ating buong may kapal ay isang tanda ng simula.
Para sa unang balita, Sandra Aguinaldo reporting.